Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have my Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club subscription to open up with you all today. The Beads of the Month Club, they have 6 different clubs that you can choose from. They have the Fire Polish Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I have this time. And then they have the Gemstone Beads of the Month Club, the Miyuki 11-0 Seed Beads of the Month Club, the Miyuki 11-0 Delica Beads of the Month Club, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, and the 2-hole Beads of the Month Club. And then they also have the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get. And in that club, you can rotate through it. They rotate you through each club 1 month at a time. They also have 2 different sizes in their clubs. They have the single club and the double club. I get the double club, and it's the same as the single club. You just get twice as many beads in the double club. And I've got, if y'all are wondering, I've got these propped up here. I'm trying to keep the lights from glaring on them so bad, but I don't think I'm doing a very good job of it. They also have their Findings Companion Pack and their Swarovski Crystals Companion Pack. Both of the companion packs are add-ons that you can get in addition to your club subscription for an additional cost, but there wouldn't be any additional cost to ship because it would be shipped with your club subscription. If you're an international customer, you'd need to contact their customer service about the cost of shipping to your particular country. Of course, the crystals are Swarovski, so they're just incredibly beautiful. And the Findings and the Findings Companion Pack are just really beautiful, high quality and unique findings. And they're in a different finish each month, so it's a great way to build up your stash of high quality findings. You'll also get a code on the bottom left of your invoice to enter into your web browser to get access to their free patterns page. It's 3 free patterns, and they're in PDF form, so you can download them to your computer. Of course, you can print them out if you'd rather do that. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa10, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to their website where you can check out all their different clubs and subscribe to any of them that you might be interested in subscribing to. The code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you subscribe to. And if you decide to subscribe to the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. And I said this on my last video, but I'm filming like 3 videos in one night because while I have the time. I apologize for this being late. I won't go into the whole big sordid story because I did that on a couple of videos ago, but I'm late with this unboxing because things have been kind of hectic. My husband's been in the hospital. He was in the hospital for 6 days, and he's back in the hospital tonight, but I think he's on the mend. I think he's only going to be in there for tonight. I think he'll get to come home tomorrow, but it's put me quite behind in all my videos, and while he's in the hospital tonight, I'm trying to get several of them done. But I'm going to open my crystals first here. These beautiful Swarovski crystals. So hold on, I'll open these up and get them in some little trays and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my crystals sorted out now. And first I have 24 5mm jet hematite round beads. And these are just beautiful. I can get them on my pen here. There we go. They're just really, really beautiful. And then next I have 18 4mm cantaloupe cube beads. I got out of order here, but if you're following along with me, I'm sorry I got out of order. I'm just a little bit distracted. really, really pretty. Just a slight little shade of green. I don't know if you can tell that on the camera. You can probably tell it better in the tray. Maybe, I don't know. They're just really, really pretty. And then I have a 10 by 23 millimeter Tanzanite wing focal bead. Just really beautiful. And that's all my crystals. Now I'm going to do my findings. Looks like I've got copper this time. That's a little peek of those. So hold on, I'll get these in some little trays and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my findings sorted out now. And first I have a shell donut bail. And that is really, really pretty and really unique. I believe you would just put it through your, I don't have a donut bead right here in front of me, but I believe you put it through your donut through there like that, and then pinch it, probably pinch it together, and then you could slide it onto your bead stringing wire. That's really neat, because I'm always trying to find a way to hang a donut bead, because I'm not very good at the wire wrapping one. So that's a really cool way to do it. I think that's how you would do that. I think that's why it's called a donut bail. It's just really pretty. And then next, I have a toggle, bail, and caps set. So we have this little toggle clasp. And we have this bail. And then we have these two caps that would be like glue-on caps for some leather or some kind of cording. That's really neat. Have all that matches, real pretty. Next, I have a 6mm magnetic clasp. This is a little tiny magnetic clasp. If I can get it apart. It's very strong. Oops. I knew I'd drop it. It's wonder it had landed in the floor. It's just really pretty. Be really neat for a little dainty bracelet. And then next I have two pairs of lever back earring hooks. It's really pretty. Copper colored lever back earring hooks. And then next I have an elongated lobster clasp, 12 by 5 millimeters. That's really neat. It's got a jump ring on each end there. It's really pretty. And then next are 6 ball tip head pins. They're 2.5 inches and they're 22 gauge. And those are really pretty. And then next are 10 5mm oval jump rings. Those are really nice. It's really pretty. So that's all of my findings, and now I'm going to open up my beads. It says peacock plumage, and that's a little peak. And just beautiful. Hold on, I'll sort all these out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my beads sorted out now, and first I have some 8mm jet green luster Hill beads. Hill, Hill. I've never seen these before. They're flat on the bottom and domed on the top, and they're faceted and they're beautiful. Those are just really neat. They're a really pretty color too. And there are 20 of these. Now, like I said, I get the double club, so if you get the single club, you'd probably get 10 of those. Next, I have 60 sapphire drop beads. They're 5 by 7mm. Really pretty. They're faceted too. It's really beautiful. And next are 20 8mm bronze olivine antique octagonal beads. They're really pretty. And then next are 60 3 by 6mm blue iris rondelle beads. They're really pretty. And then next are 16 12 by 9mm emerald antique oval beads. These are some big chunky beads. They're really neat, really pretty. And then next are 50 suede gold capri blue round fire polished beads, 6mm. These are really pretty. It's beautiful. And then next are 200 3mm saturated metallic pale dogwood round fire polished beads. Little tiny 3mm. Really, really pretty. And then last are 200 4mm matte metallic goldenrod round fire polished beads. These are all so pretty. It's really beautiful. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, that's everything that came in my Beads of the Month Club subscription this month. The beautiful fire polished beads and the beautiful Swarovski crystals and copper findings. Their beads and findings are always just so, so beautiful. Such high quality. It's just a really great subscription. And like I said, if you think you might want to subscribe to any of their clubs, that coupon code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you decide to sign up for. And if you sign up for the rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. And I wanted to thank all of you all who have sent well wishes and thoughts and prayers my way for my husband and me while he's been sick. I really appreciate, we both really appreciate it so much. I just can't tell you. It's just, y'all are just amazing. And I just really appreciate you all so much. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.